New single from Turbo just dropped. It's called 18, and I'm going to teach you how to play it on guitar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song uses a single riff. So to start, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And you're going to pick the D string, G string, B string, G string. You're going to do that 2 more times. Then you're going to pick the B string again. Then you're going to move your pinky up to the 9th fret of the B string and pick it again. Then move it back down and pick it again. Then pick the G string. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and you're going to pick the A string, D string, G string, D string, and do that 2 more times. Then you're going to pick the G string again. Then you're going to place your pinky on the 8th fret of the G string and pick it again. Then you're going to lift your pinky and pick it 1 more time. Then pick the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for 18. Like I mentioned, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.